Hi viewer, this is elayaraja. I'm going to explain about my new project. Uh, I have done basic by in cloud. Cloud is firewall security. Nowadays, for cloud, firewall security is very less. I have done the implement the security. My proposed system is an effective firewall security has been implemented for blocking and filtering the unwanted request coming from the client before the request approach the virtual machine. In the time of the request processing, if the user requests the high level of data from the cloud, then based on the payment made by the cloud user, they can use and access the data from the cloud server is already existing in the existing system. Implemented security in cloud option is a huge amount of pay based on the service of usage by the customer in the cloud environment. The major disadvantages is that in the existing system, unauthorized user can able to access the cloud data, which is major drawback. And also the main drawbacks is that high payable cloud charges. And now I have implemented these things in the proposed effective firewall. I have proposed the new system in that. In proposed system, effective firewall security has been implemented for blocking and filtering the unwanted requests coming from the client before the request approaches the virtual machine. During the request implement, and during the request implemented, if the user requests the high level of data from the cloud, then establish on the payment from the cloud, then establish they can use the access the data from the cloud server. And the main things in firewall we have to using the IP address and MAC address. My proposed system is I introduced the dynamic security firewall. It can block the both on the IP and the MAC. I think you know guys about the MAC media access control. My dynamic security firewall they can block the both at a time. This is my main architecture of this. This is the cloud system. This is my virtual machine. In that virtual machine, I install the firewalls. Whenever the hacker try to hack my cloud data, the first step is my cloud is send the request from my to the client. I can show who all are going to visited my cloud data and like that I can watch. And I'm using 8 modules in this project. First module is firewall rules creation modules, and second module is visualization firewall creation module, and third data access, fourth cost computing, and fifth blocking users access, of six max privilege, seven system information and performance evaluation. And firewall rules creation. Firewall rules design the prevent unauthorized access from the private network. This the cloud. Maybe I want to the blocking the unauthorized the request. So I'm firewall is there whenever to trying to the get the data from the cloud server. The request come to, the request will receive to the client system. This is the firewall creation models, first models, and the second model is visualization firewall creation models. In this visual device is most of the firewall features. Create the resource based packet filtering within the same visual device to remove zones in the network. And this is a visual device. I'm going to do in the virtual machine. That's why visual device is there. Security firewall security is policy to the network and the cloud server and the virtual device is customized technique to the cloud server. Data access models. In data access models, if the IP address of appeal in the within one of the range specified in the server level firewall rules, the connection is generated to the SQL database servers has been matched database level rules. The connection established only when the client passes the through firewall in the SQL database. Next cost computing model. Back user access model. Back user access model. Do you know, everyone know where we can the block using the network. The main things is going to work IP address and the MAC address for the blocking the unwanted request from whenever it's come from the network, and a firewall that allows to the block program for being accessed by other people on the internet or network. Testing a block rule. This rule is used to test the website and blocking the website by the network administrator. And next, MAC privilege models. MAC privilege models is main things to blocking the media access control. MAC address is unique address assigned to almost all network hardware. And then create the firewall rules based on the MAC address. This also very effective while access test from the cloud server. Now I will go show the some demo. And let's start this one basic output slide. I done the project successful. This I want to enter into the my cloud. I put the admin password, admin name, and password. After that, it will. My God. I enter just my admin name and my password password of the firewall creation module. This is the permanently can show IP address blocking and MAC address blocking and IP MAC address allowing MAC address allowing, and then privilege instruction execution and cost effective computation. In there. That that just I entered the one. It will block the IP address. If I put if I enter the two, it will allowing the IP map address, and it will put the two MAC address will block, like that only the processor will go. And fifth and sixth is my proposed system. I just dynamic effective blocking. If I put the fifth one, it will block IP and Mac. Both things it will block. It's my proposed system, and finally, if I block the everything, I want to know. I want to know. I want to allowing the data IP. Allowing the IP address again. Just what I'm there is one layer is there IP address allowing and MAC address allowing. It will if I block the IP address, I can allow this at the same times, yeah, along with the my request. And thanking you.